How to fix Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered keeps crashing or freezing on Windows PC. 1. Check or review the system requirements of Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Verify the integrity of Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered game files. 2.1 in Steam, 2.2 in Epic Games Launcher, 3. Lower your in-game graphics configurations accordingly. And here are some recommendations: texture quality, medium. Texture filtering, 2x anisotropic. Shadow quality, medium. Level of detail, medium. Traffic density, low. Crowd density, low. Weather particle quality, medium. Field of view, default 0. Motion blur strength, 5 or preference. Film grain strength, default 0 or preference. Ray traced reflections, off. V-Sync, off. 4. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Terminate all unused programs via WTM. 6. Disable all overlay-related settings or apps. 7. Stop overclocking your hardware, from CPU to GPU. 8. Uninstall then reinstall the game.